Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's dive right into the basics. To navigate, simply press the digital crown to see all your apps or return to the watch face. Swiping up from the bottom reveals the control center, giving you quick access to essential settings like Wi-Fi and airplane mode. A downward swipe shows your notifications, keeping you informed. The side button is your gateway to recently used apps and Apple Pay. Your Apple Watch Series 9 is packed with essential features. You can effortlessly make and receive phone calls right from your wrist, using its integrated speaker and microphone. Sending and receiving text messages is also simple, whether you prefer dictating your reply or choosing from quick, preset options. Plus, managing your music is a breeze. Control playback on your iPhone or stream directly to your favorite Bluetooth headphones. Don't forget to use the handy timer and alarm functions for daily reminders. The Apple Watch Series 9 is a powerful health and fitness companion. It helps you track your daily activity with 3 intuitive rings: move, exercise, and stand, encouraging you to close them each day. You can continuously monitor your heart rate and receive alerts for unusually high or low readings. The watch also records a wide variety of workouts, providing accurate metrics for everything from a brisk walk to a swim. Plus, you can take on-demand blood oxygen measurements using the dedicated app. Customizing your Apple Watch Series 9 makes it uniquely yours. You can personalize your watch face with countless styles, colors, and useful complications to display information at a glance. Easily organize your app layout by simply dragging icons on the home screen to your preferred positions. For added safety, enable fall detection, which can automatically contact emergency services if it senses a hard fall. And remember, Siri is always ready to assist. Just raise your wrist and speak your command.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.